Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, Skala, blow.
Whoa.
Go blow.
Tell you yesterday that we can buy a gift. That is this meatball.
If you're like me and you were planning to have a party and all of a sudden you can't because you were ordered to stay at home, then stick around and watch this. This, by the way, is a kid's party. But you know what? That part doesn't really matter because what's important is you improvise what you got. So sorry, my energy is not usually like this, at least not in front of the camera, embarrassing myself. So right now the party's actually over, but I'm about to show you guys what I did to make this party possible. First of all, we're in a little hot mess right now in the whole world, and we're all trying to be at home and staying at home as much as possible. And over here in the Philippines, it's pretty strict now. They have checkpoints everywhere. Banks open, groceries open, drugstores open, convenience stores open, but the rest of the city is closed. So any other businesses, you're closed, you're done. Well, food business, you can be open, you can choose to stay open, but you can pretty much only deliver because everybody is trying to be at home. So yeah, so here where we live, we actually live in a condo. Everything we need is here and we're really on top of it. We are sanitized, we're well maintained, and everyone here is for sure doing their part as a citizen and making this happen. So before all of this, actually, I've already reserved spots for catering and event styling. Well, I was gonna do all the styling, I just needed some help with it because we have a restricted time limit. So I also hired help for event styling. And then I have this mobile playground going on. So I have everything rented out, and then I have the souvenirs and the loot bags, and just pretty much everything was planned out ever since January. And so everything's pretty much set up. I'm cringing while editing this because I feel like I sound a little braggy slash whiny about this whole thing, and I don't really want to sound like that. Yeah, so I'm really sorry about that. I was pretty much bummed out that I couldn't do this at the time that we were supposed to, which is March 22nd. We have to move the date, and up to now I don't know when that is, and I don't even know if that's gonna happen, but I mean I hope so, but I don't know. Honestly, second birthdays aren't that important. I didn't really plan on having a party, not up until the time that my sister-in-law told me that they actually booked a ticket. Actually, they booked the flight going to the Philippines to come and celebrate Skala's birthday, my daughter's birthday. So that's when I realized, you know what? Let's do a party. Because we did the first birthday party and they missed out on that. But again, their flights got canceled like 2 weeks before Skala's birthday, and then this happened too. Anyway, like, I'm so sorry I sound really whiny, but that's what happens when you put so much effort in planning and nothing's gonna happen. Like, who wants to move the original date to 2 months after that? That's not even a birthday anymore, that's something else. But I don't know, who knows? The party might still continue. We'll see. I'm gonna film that. So yeah, I wasn't trying to have another party for her because obviously babies don't really remember these things. But you know what? I'm gonna post this on social media, and I'm gonna post this for you to see it. Skala, this is for you, and I was doing this for you, and up to a certain age, I know I can choose for you. The theme of this party is actually super cute. My brother thought of a name. Skala turns tutu. She loves ballet. So I got these tutus online. They were shipped to me since January. I got 40 pieces of these, and they were supposed to be for chairs. since I was planning it like a ballet themed chairs. And since the chairs weren't happening, since everything got canceled at the moment, I resorted to what's available. It looks like we have a lot of throw pillows, so I decided to just attach tutus and children could sit on this throw pillow. It looks like they would have like tutus on their butts. This right here is Skala's giveaway loot bags. They're reusable and I got them since February. And here are what's inside. We have a kitchen set for girls. I have robots for boys, and then we have puzzles for everyone, and we have the school set, and we have a washable cloth face mask. How did I think about this little stay-at-home party? Well, our daily lives here still kind of is the norm. We try to still go outside and get some sun, so there are people here in the condo premises. They also live here. They're all our neighbors, and we decided, you know what, it's just gonna be how we played yesterday. We're just gonna be like that. We're just gonna sit down on the field, and the only difference is the cake. That's the only difference. It's kind of like decorated a little bit, and then there's a cake, and then there's a special thing where everyone's gonna sing happy birthday to you. But that's pretty much it. So everything else is what we do in the norm. With that being said, after all of these, please enjoy the next few clips. So because there's no real party happening, I just thought of certain activities that they can all do 1 meter apart. And the kids had fun because of the loot bags, because they're simple like that. Also, all of them are so excited about the cake, especially Skala. One other thing that I forgot to mention is how I have that beautiful cake. Well, if we all want it to be a simple birthday, right, you can just make it at home. But honestly, I didn't have that talent for cakes. Unfortunately, it's not me, it's not my thing. So what I did was I did a lot of research, and because of our situation right now where it's even hard to just cross another city, you have checkpoints here. So what I did was I looked for someone who can make a cake, who lives just around the corner, is in the same city as we are, and voila, I got her, I booked her, and she did so well. I'm just so blessed to have her in my life. Because she also provided the loot bag fillers, because I was like, hey, you know what, since you're my only contact right now and you can deliver, is it possible that you have any loot bag fillers or anyone you know in your area too that can deliver loot bag fillers? And she was amazing. Girl came through. So this party actually lasted 30 minutes. 45 minutes max, and I think I'm pretty proud of this. You know, it's simple. You put less effort to it too, because it's minus a lot of food and drinks that you offer your kids. Yeah. So I'm showing you guys the outfit of the day, which is what I wore during the party, and it's just this white dress, maxi dress. Here I'm showing you my safety pin earrings. I really love that. I've been wearing that a lot. And the reason why I have this simple dress is because of the statement bows on the shoulders. I'm sorry about my hair, it's everywhere. So yeah, the back is just the same as the front. So this is how we ended the party. Her best friend actually stole her from everyone else. As you can see, they had their own thing. Oh yeah, let's not forget, Skala spent time with her stuffed unicorns. So adorable. So thank you so much for watching. That was it for this video. Hit the subscribe, like, and notification bell. I'm gonna do more TikToks.